2 quiet nights passed over the shed with zero activity on the cameras. Had I managed to exterminate the whole population? Was my rodent problem solved? Would this be the end of this YouTube serial? Apparently not. On the 3rd night the cameras sprang to life again. A 7th mouse for the 7th episode, almost folklorical. I watched it make its way in under the Thanos, and almost got my hopes up for a while. But alas, no peek up the Thanos hole this time either. But wait! It had a second go at it. And this time it actually did stick its mousy little nose up the hole. But it was nowhere near deep into it enough. And it did not make any attempt to climb the orange ladder. So close but yet so far from success. A little later that night, it did what so many of its brethren had done before it. It went for the cheese on the box of birdseed. By now, we all know how that particular move usually ends. Holy smoke! The big rat is back. I have not seen it for at least a week. This calls for a change of plan once again. I discarded the dead mouse and removed the Thanos MK47 and its stand from the shed. I decided to move the Thanos to its original place outside the shed, and so I took down the second camera in order to place it back where it was earlier. Then I reset both the mouse traps and the rat traps. I placed one of the rat traps on the bag of bark mulch where the rat was caught on camera. The other one I placed on the ground next to the box of flower seed that it was so interested in earlier. Of course, I placed the mouse traps where they had done so exceptionally well so far. Then I adjusted the camera to get a better view of the bag of mulch. With the Thanos in its original place and baited with chicken kebab, and the camera watching it, all I could do now was once again wait and see. Will the rat take the bait this time? And if so, which bait in which trap?